Hi, I'm Victor, and in today's video, I'm going to be looking at a small logistics company by the name of Pangaea Logistics Solutions. Their stock symbol is PANL. This is a nice little growing, profitable logistics company that pays a dividend. This is a company that I found when I was looking for logistics companies, given that we've had logistics supply chain issues for a couple of years. It was very profitable to be running a logistics company. So I set off to find some good logistics companies to invest in. This is one of the companies that I found, and this is a small company. So I'd like to give you a quick tour of the company and show you what I found. So first, Pangaea handles logistics, ocean freight. They have a northern route. They have routes around the world and taking commodities, primarily dry bulk, from one continent to the next. It's a very well operated company, profitable, and they are growing. They're adding ships to their fleet. They added a couple of ships recently. So 2022 should be a good growth year for the company. And they did that. A lot of their additional vessels were bought with cash that the business generated. So they're in a great situation where logistics companies are earning a higher rate for the bulk that they're carrying, and it's a great time to be operating a logistics company. If you look at their stock price over the last year, it's had ups and downs, and that's provided an opportunity to buy their stock on real low points and therefore watch it rise. But if you look at year to date, this stock was really fun to watch from the beginning of the year when many of the stocks were really losing value. If you look at the S&P, the NASDAQ, and the Dow, were all in correction territory the very beginning of 2022. During that time, PANL was actually rising. So it was great to see that stock do that. The company, if you look at them, their price earnings ratio 3.8, so just a real good number. Market cap, nice small company, 260 million market cap, and this one follows the ideas that Peter Lynch had, which was try to find companies that aren't being covered by too many analysts, that are profitable, good businesses that you want to buy, and then buy them early before everybody else finds out. And this is one company that I feel is in that category. Since it doesn't have a lot of analyst coverage, I think at this point it has 3 analysts covering it. When I first bought into this company, it had none. This company also pays a dividend, 3.51 yield on that dividend. So not only are you going to have the stock rise, but you have a dividend as well. So that's great. Now, what I did is I put Pangaea in a discount model that I created for myself. This discount model uses a couple factors, discount rate. I really focus on free cash flow. Free cash is, I believe, the best measure if a company is healthy, if a company is being productive, profitable, all that good stuff. So I take free cash flow and I extend it. Here's free cash flow trailing 12 months. And I extend it out into the future. I discount it at 11%. And my growth rate that I'm using, since they've had a recent historical rate of 25%, looking at the last 4 years, using 25% is reasonable since they are adding ships to their fleet. They're going to continue to grow since they're going to just, carry more freight or more loads. So the next 5 years, I have a growth rate of 25%. And then after that, 5%. So using that discounted rate, we can discount the cash flows. I also have an additional discount factor to really have certainty in those cash flows. So it's kind of a double discount to get to a really nice conservative number on cash. And the intrinsic value that I came up with was 412 million. And the company market cap is 260 million. So the company is discounted based on their intrinsic value. there's 46 million shares outstanding. So we have an intrinsic value per share of $9.03, while the stock price that you would buy shares at are $5.69. So you can get the stock at a 59% discount based on this model. Been following the company for a couple of years and been investing in it for about a year, a little over a year now, and it's been a good investment. Not recommending everything in this video. It's for entertainment purposes. Not sharing and not giving any advice to buy or sell any stock, including PANL. But I hope that you found this video interesting. So that's PANL. Again, a little company that I think is flying below the radar. Really good company to take a look at, since logistics companies are just making a lot of money. I owned UPS for some time and sold it because it just got to a price where I just couldn't substantiate holding that stock any longer. I'm glad I did, because it went down. But overall, I think having these companies that don't have a lot of exposure but have a lot of potential and a lot of profitability are great. And hope you enjoyed the video. Please like my video, give me feedback if you have any, and I really appreciate you watching my video. Thank you.